morning, dears. Yesterday we have completed up to question number 10 from exercise 9. Look at the question number 11. Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle with PQ is equal to PR. P is the midpoint of QR and TM and TN are perpendiculars on PR and PQ respectively. Then you have to prove three things which is given. So let us draw first the isosceles triangle, which is PQR, PQR. Done. Now T is a midpoint of QR. Okay. Now this is equal. Now Tn and Tm are the perpendiculars drawn on PQ and PR respectively. Given in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR, P is a midpoint of QR, Tn perpendicular PQ and Tm perpendicular PR. To prove Tm is equal to Tn, Pm is equal to Pn, and Pt is a bisector of angle P. Okay. Now, first we have to get to number 1. Solution. PQ is equal to PR. That's what angle PQR will be equal to angle PRQ. Isosceles property. Again, in triangle NQT and MRT, angle Q and T is equal to angle RMT, 90 degree, is it? This is 90. Angle NQT is equal to angle MRT, given as they are the base angles of this isosceles triangle PQR, and QT is equal to TR. This side is equal to this side. That's what the triangle Q and T is congruent to triangle MRT according to AAS condition. Once they are congruent, we can write Tm is equal to Tn. So Tm is equal to Tn, Cp CTC. This is number 1 we proved. Again, Qn is equal to Mr, we can write Cp CTC. So that's what PQ minus Qn is equal to PR minus Mr, also would be equal as PQ is equal to PR, and we have proved these two are equal, is it? So PQ minus Qn, that gives you Pn is equal to Pm, proved. We got this. Now the third one, what we have to find? PT is a bisector of angle P. Now come to the triangle PQT. whatever triangle you can take PQT, you can take PNT, it doesn't matter. In triangle PQT and triangle PTR, PQ is equal to PR, QT is equal to TR, and angle PQT is equal to angle PRT. So the triangles are congruent. Triangle PQT is congruent to triangle PTR. S condition. Now once the triangle are congruent, angle QPT is equal to angle RPT. CPCTC, this angle is equal to this angle, so that's what PT bisect angle. So PT bisects angle P. Proved. Write it please. Next question we have triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle with PQ is equal to QR. QR is extended to S, so that triangle PRS becomes isosceles triangle with PR is equal to RS. Now, question number 12. First, PQR. PQ is equal to QR. PQR, in which PQ and QR is equal. Now, QR is extended to S such that PR is equal to RS, is it? This is given to you. Now they have asked to prove angle RSP is to angle QPS is equal to 1:3, is it? Now we have to solve it. Just have a look. We are going to take, first we'll write given in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to QR, QR is produced to S such that PR is equal to RS. This is what is given to us. To prove angle PSR is to RSP is to angle QPS is equal to 1:3. Is it? QPS. Okay. See, now solution. Let in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to QR. That's what angle QPR will be equal to angle QRP. Isosceles property. Let the angle QPR and angle QRP be X. This angle I have taken X, so this also would be X. Is it? So angle PRS would be 180 degree minus x, as it is forming straight angle. This is x. So this would be 180 minus x. Again, in triangle PR is equal to RS. So that's what angle RPS will be equal to angle RSP is equal to 180 minus 180 minus x by 2. These two angles will be what? 180 minus this angle by 2. Or we get it 180 degree minus 180 degree plus x by 2. Or this gives you x by 2. This we have got x by 2. This we have got x by 2. Now see. So angle QPS is equal to angle QPR plus angle RPS, or x plus x by 2, or it gives you 3x by 2. Therefore angle RSP is to angle QPS is equal to RSP. We have got x by 2 is to 3x by 2, or is equal to 1:3. Proved. Write it please. Look at the question number 13. It's a simple figure is there that I'm not doing, you have to do. You just refer the figure please in your book. In triangle KLM, you see the bigger triangle KLM, KT is a bisecting angle LKM. This full angle is bisected by line segment KT. Now KT is equal to TM. If angle LTK is 80 degree, find the value of angle LMK and KLM. Now first you can see KT is equal to TM. In triangle KTM, the next side triangle, what will be the angle T? 180 minus 80. Because this side 80 degree, so that side it will be 100 degree. 180 minus 80. So once you got angle T as 100 degree, KT is equal to TM. So angle K and angle M will be 40 each. Already it was told that KT is bisecting angle LKM. So if it is TKM is 40, TKL also will be 40. Now in triangle KLT, you have angle K 40, angle T 80, so angle L remains 60. So you got the angles. Refer the figure and do it. Question number 13. Look at the question number 14. Equal sides QP and RP of an isosceles triangle PQR produced beyond P2, S and T, such that triangle PST is an isosceles triangle with PS is equal to PT. Prove that TQ is equal to SR. It's also very simple, but okay, I'm doing. 13 only figure, once again I'm telling you the figure. Look at question number 13's figure. The writing you have to do. See, the figure is in this way, the figure is given, is it? This is equal, this is equal, this is 80 degree. So what will be this? We'll have this one is 100 degree. Once this is 100, why? 180 minus 80 is given. Now these two sides are equal, so each will be 40, 40. Now it has told this angle and this angle is equal, so this is 40. Once this is 40, so 80 and 40, 120. So this angle will be 60. This writing you have to do. Clear? Now look at question number 14. The figure is this is P, T, S, Q, R is given in triangle PQR. PQ is equal to PR, and in triangle TSP, PT is equal to PS. To prove TQ is equal to S. Now see, we'll take this triangle and this triangle. Solution. In triangle TQP and triangle SRP. Clear? TP is equal to SP is given. QP is equal to RP. This is also given. This angle will be equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle. Angle QPT is equal to angle RPS, vertically opposite angles. So that's what triangle TQP is congruent to triangle RSP, SAS condition. So that's what TQ is equal to SR, CP, CTC proved. It's done. Now question number 15 is a homework. You know it how to do. First you have to prove the triangle is congruent. Second you have to prove the sum of both the angle is 180. So each will be 90. So for today you leave it up to 15. 16 onwards you will be doing next day. Till then keep practicing. Thank you.